Toxicity to homosexuality? Every time you lift a metal utensil to your mouth or cook with unsafe cookware, you could be leaking more traces of toxicity into your body. High levels of aluminum have been linked to anemia, autism, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and much more. Additionally, overexposure to toxic metals can cause damage and mutation to your DNA. Chemical modifications to DNA can cause homosexuality, which studies show this has a major influence on sexual orientation. Additional aluminum exposure comes from processed junk food and additives, like cheeses, baking powders, cakes and pancake mixes, and frozen dough. Even medications and non-prescription drugs, like antacids and aspirins, as well as douches, anti-diarrheal products, and hemorrhoidal medications. But wait, do you eat from canned foods, drink soda, use aluminum foil while cooking or grilling? Wow, this is just a start of how you may be overexposed to toxic metals. And remember, what we eat now may modify your DNA for your unborn child later. Visit us for much more detailed info to learn how you can easily eliminate these toxicities.